God damn it! Caroline! Hey guys, this is Greg with North of 4980V. Long time no see. It's winter here in the Great White North, and if we're here, obviously it's because, you know, some order came in, and obviously today we're gonna talk about the Tenere. You can see it behind me, and what are we gonna do to it? It is. Came in yesterday. The HpCorse SP1, ordered from Triple Clamp, our friends in Ontario. Came really fast, to be honest with you, like a week or 10 days, and it was at my door. So we're gonna put that. This is the high exhaust, so that's with that bend here. It's meant to prevent the swing arm problem that people had before with the Tenere, and just in the event you drop the bike on the exhaust side, basically could get the swing arm and the exhaust pipe to rub against one another, and then because the swing arm is made of aluminum, the swing arm is basically dying after that or something. It's just getting damaged, so we're gonna do that to avoid that. So what's in the package? You have a little bit of documentation here and some hardware. The first documentation you have is paperwork that basically tell you that your thing is legal to use on the road, and it's Euro 4 and Euro 5 compliant, which is good. You should either keep that on yourself when you're riding, even here in Canada, or scan it and put it on your phone. The assembly notice and some hardware to attach everything. Okay. Well, that was quick. Sadly, I had to remove also the back plate here because I still don't have the replacement rack. So now we're gonna start it. Okay, I get 65 at idle-ish decibels. I'm 1 meter, 3 feet away from the exhaust, like they would do pretty much the fumes they would do if they were testing. Unfortunately, I'm by myself, so I cannot go the 3000 RPM like I should to check the regular the volume. We'll try to do that maybe. Okay, now we're gonna take that apart. So this bracket here, this guy here, is going to be holding the exhaust. Is supposed to go in there. This guy and this guy here with some spacers. So we're gonna do that. Not gonna film that, but I'm gonna do that. Alright, the bracket is in place. Put the washer in there, some Loctite so it says where it is. Hopefully I put it in the right spot. Yeah, let's see what else is next. Alright, took me a minute to put these springs, but just a pair of pliers was enough actually to do it. I removed, I don't know if you can see from here. Can you see? Yes, you can see. I removed the side, the passenger peg, just because it's easier and I don't want to scratch the brand new pipe here. So I'm gonna do this like this and it goes pretty easily. So now we're gonna rest it like this. And over there. Does this goes on top or behind it? No, it goes behind it. Okay. Now we're supposed to use the rest of the hardware put together, I assume. And we'll see my next problem. You can already guess what's gonna happen here. Instructions are Italian and English. If you understand Italian, I think it's a bit more detailed in Italian than it's in English. But you know, we'll make it work. Alright, it's a little bit. Pay attention, bracket positioning, exhaust, blah blah blah. Okay, so they don't say anything. So I would assume that this goes like this. Big washer there, this here, this here. Or is it? Maybe not. Maybe the big washer at the back. I'm gonna put the lock washer first. On a lot of room there. Get my nuts ready. Haha. And of course I dropped it. I'm not super happy with it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it. Love you guys, but yeah, this is just a regular nut, and this is too short, so not hugely liking it. So I might have something somewhere that's gonna fit better, and we're gonna work with that. So I found a longer, faster like that, but I did not find a prevailing nut for that size. So what I do, I put a lock washer on both sides, and that should do it. It's slightly above my signal. My signal, her signal. But I still think it's gonna need a heat shield on the turn signal, or it's gonna be like cooking it, which I will either buy from triple clamp, sorry, or make myself. We'll see. All right, let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Oh, I can see my max here was 82 and when I was revving it, I was above the 3,000, 4,000 RPM. So 82 is still pretty far from, you know, the 91 max legal in Canada. So overall, it's not bad. I don't really hear a difference, but it could be me. But the goal is achieved, right? What we want to do is we wanted to give some space here. We wanted to avoid the rubbing here like it happened before. I might have to repaint that and go around like this and keep our passenger pegs. So yeah, mission achieved. I think we're good. What do you guys think? Let me know. I hope this was useful to you. If you order that, yeah, just check the guys at Triple Clamp in Ontario. That's the same people who made these things here. That's their logo, the case protector, and they seem like nice people. So and it's, you know, it's Canadian, so of course this is Italian, but you know, you have to help your fellow Canadians, business owners. It's becoming a really nice bike. That's what it is. As usual, subscribe, don't subscribe, you do what you want. Enjoy your ride if it's sunny out there, and or whatever. If you prefer riding in the rain, you do you. Again, there's no pressure here. I'll see you and catch you on the next one.
The next day.
Not again. Caroline!